So if you file a post-summary correction on an entry for one reason, can you file another post-summary correction for the same entry for the IEPA?
Yes and no. And I say yes and no because customs has to have responded on the first one before you file a second.
Okay.
So in theory, the answer to the question is yes.
Mhm.
But customs is notorious for maybe not quite responding until very late in the process and not really giving you a shot to file the second one. So while in theory, yes, in all practicality, I would say, I mean, we've been involved in ACE and this idea of post-summary correction since 2014, and I can probably count on one hand the number of times I've seen us be able to truly file multiple PSCs on the same entry.
Okay.
It's just is not quite running at the clip it should.
And Customs does not take kindly to being chased about responding on a PSC.
No, I don't.